Welcome back everybody. Now you are watching exercise 1.3 question number 1. So we are finding the solution for question number 1. The question given as using the given Venn diagram write the element. Before entering into the answer, please subscribe the channel, share among your friends. If you have any comments to make, please you can make it in the comment section. So as you can see, according to Venn diagram, it is given that there is a set. So as you can see, there is a set called A, B and U. Okay. So the question is being asked, first question is being asked as what are the elements of set A. So as you can see, this is the circle for the set A, and in this circle you can find the number 2, 10, 8, 4, 7. So the elements within the circle of A should be written in answer A. So as you can see, the elements 2, 10, 8, 4, 7 are written as 2, 4, 7, 8, 10. Now to write this B, what you have to do is, you have to see the circle of B. This is the circle of B. You can see the number 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11. So those numbers are written here 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11. You have to write the numbers in order. It is not necessary, but it is good when you follow the order. Now the third part of the question is find the value of A union B. So you have to write the set of A union set of B. Okay, this is the theoretical part of the answer. That is writing all the elements of A, writing all the elements of B, and not writing the repeated elements. So as you can see, 4 is there in A, 4 is there in B, but 4 is not there in, it should be written only once, not twice. Okay, so as you can see, 7 is there in both, but it should be written once. 8 is only once, we write as it is. 9 is once, 10 is once, 11 is once. So all these elements are only one time. So union means that whatever the element that is written. Now I show you the diagrammatic representation. As you can see, there is a circle, there is a B circle. So anything that is lies inside the circle should be written. So 2, 3, 4, 7, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. So all the numbers are here 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we come to the fourth part. So the diagrammatic representation of A intersection B is the common value. The common values are 4 and 7. Just write 4, 7. So this is how we represent A intersection B, 4, 7. Next. So in A minus B, we just write 2, 10 and 8. Only these three numbers. This part which is not in common is the A minus B part. So the elements will be 2, 8 and 10. Only 3 elements. So the elements of B minus A is 3, 6, 9, 11. So as you can see, the elements are written 3, 6, 9, 11. Okay. Next. So when we take the value of A dash, we do not consider A. The whole circle of A is not included. So elements other than A will be included. That is 1, 12, 3, 6, 9, 11. All the elements will be included. We try to write this in order. Again, the elements of A dash are 1, 3, 6, 9 and 11. Now we come to B dash. So the value of B dash, we should not include the circle B. All the elements in the B should not be included. So other than that, 1, 12, 2, 10, 8, all those elements will be included. So we say B dash are those elements where B is completely not included. So as you can see, B is completely not included. Hence those elements are called as B dash. The B dash element are 1, 2, 8, 10, 12. Now when we say U, we say universal set, and universal set we write all the elements. So as you can see, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. everything is included in U. All the elements that are included in the square rectangle box should be written in U. Obviously the element will not be repeated. Okay, so this is the first question.